Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2013 GMC Terrain and I will show you the power sunroof fuse location. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2010 all the way up to 2017. The sunroof fuse will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood right here. Now to leave this cover, you'll have two black clips, one on the right side and one on the left side. To unlock it, you want to press this clip together and lift it straight up. And you will do the same thing with the other one. So once you have removed the cover, on the back side of the cover, you will also have a small fuse diagram. And right here at the bottom right corner you will have a fuse remover which you can use to pull out and check each of the fuses. And the power sunroof fuse is fuse number 12, which is 30 amp fuse located right here. Luckily this will fix your problem. If not, you will have to start looking into the power sunroof switch, motor or the wiring. But often on many vehicles, fuse is the cause of power sunroof not working. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.